In today's video, we will see what are analog input and analog output signals. As explained in the previous video, that the signals which are received from somewhere are called input signal or feedback signal. Now let's understand analog signals, signals that keep on varying or vary in a range, such as 4 to 20 milliamperes signal. Digital signals are simply on or off signals, but analog input signals vary in a range. So, analog input signals means received signals that continuously vary in a range. Let's come to the analog input signals examples. RTD, thermocouple signal. RTD, thermocouples will show different readings according to temperature. Their readings will vary in a range: pressure, level, pH, flow, humidity, temperature. All these transmitter signals are analog input signals. The output value of all these transmitters also varies in a range. The output of all these transmitters is usually 4 to 20 milliamperes. In short, usually, the signals of all sensors and transducers are analog input signals. Apart from these, motor RPM feedback, motor load feedback are also analog input signals. Now, let me explain you the analog output signals. Output signals are those signals that are sent anywhere. Signals that are sent from PLC or any instrument that vary in a range are known as analog output signals. Let us see examples of analog output signals. Signal sent to control valve. According to the signal, control valve operates 0 to 100%. To decrease or to increase motor RPM or speed, a signal is sent. This is also an analog output signal. Here you have to keep one thing in mind, that the RPM or speed of the motor or its feedback signal is analog input signal, and if the RPM or speed of the motor is to be decreased or increased, the signal sent for this is the analog output signal. Similarly, for the position of control valve, the feedback signal that comes, analog input signal, or to increase or to decrease the position of control valve, a signal sent from PLC or any controller is analog output signal.